I mean, or did I?
Joker's
So
table, what?
fucked.
Okay.
I'm just gonna call your bluff no matter what you put down because you definitely don't have any Jokers left.
Yeah.
One joker.
My Joker.
Liar.
Suck my nuts, boy.
LOL!
Think again.
Here's a gift.
How many cards do I have? I don't know. I'm not doing that shit, fuck you.
This hand's trash.
I like this
Gold.
guy.
This hand's trash.
You look so sad.
He does.
Oh,
I've been rotting anyway.
a big ass.
Oh. Another day. What did you have of her?
I had fucking nothing, bro. I was hoping for a 5 to get it straight, but I had like a high card. That was it.
Fuck!
Woohoo!
Yeah, shut up, bro.
Me when I know
We know you got nothing.
Yeah, you'd wish, wouldn't you? Okay.
I like
You're not good at bluffing, bro. Shut your mouth.
I call.
Guys, I'm lying on my shit right now. Guys, I'm lying right now.
I call. The monster's still hungry.
I really hate your character's voice lines, by the way. Like, I know that.
You guys are fucked. You guys are so fucked.
Oh, sure, bro. My notes?
I call. I'm done kneeling.
Bro got the
I
toilet
call.
flush.
I'm done kneeling.
Guys, laugh at my joke. That was so funny. Guys.
I switch.
So, they switched to...
Guys, I bet he's got the toilet flush.
All in.